Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we are gonna see how to lock apps in any Xiaomi smartphone. So the first step is to open the settings app. From here, search app lock. Now tap app lock. From here, just enter your password. Now just select the apps you want to apply app lock on. Like that. Now go to your home screen. Now as you can see, we have successfully applied a lock on our application. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.